That doesn't look silly at all. Hey everyone, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher, and today I'm celebrating. I'm celebrating because over the last 6 months I've been working hard on my website, AccordionLove.com, and I've never really done a proper launch for it. There's tons of content there, tons of existing content and tons of new content too. There's a free 3-day trial. There's absolutely no risk to you. You can cancel at any time, but what I encourage you to do is to have a look at some of the lessons there and see if you like my teaching style. In addition, there's a forum there with learners just like you from all over the world. Especially now in the times of COVID, it's hard to get a sense of a musical community, but that's exactly what's happening over on the Accordion Love forums. So, what you're going to see now is a promo video for the website that I recorded with my friend Tony over the summer. I encourage you to go have a look, and I'll see you over there.
Hey, it's Ronan Segal, your accordion teacher. I built Accordion Love for you, the accordion student. Whether you're just getting started and having some trouble bringing your hands together, or you already know how to play and are looking to add some songs to your repertoire, this site is for you. Now, everything you need to know about learning the accordion is already out there. You can Google the Stradella bass system and pull up some sheet music, but what you'll find on Accordion Love is different than anything else that's out there. Everything is centralized. I bring my unique teaching approach to every song and every accordion technique. Using other methods, you learn to read sheet music, not how to play. What I do is I train your ear through playback exercise so you learn songs quickly and most importantly, you remember them. It's the same way that I teach songs to other professional musicians. Having trouble coordinating your hands together, what works for one student may not work for you, so I've developed 5 ways of helping you. Want to add some spark to your melody? I have multiple lessons on ornaments and trills and adding dynamics to your melody. The same goes for teaching songs. I provide you with sheet music, both basic and complex versions, but most importantly, I help you understand the structure of the song so that you can improvise, play with others, and recall the song when you're asked to play it at a party. It's my goal that every one of my students throws out their sheet music so that they can bring their creativity and soul to every song. Whether it's the theme song from your favorite movie, a classic Edith Piaf song, or your favorite tango, access our vast library of music, download the sheet music, and learn at your own pace on any device. My greatest joy comes from sharing music with others. What I want to help you discover is how to express yourself musically through your instrument. Sign up today and I'll help you take the frustration out of learning the accordion.